This is a 2007 Acura RDX. This crossover has a 5-speed automatic transmission, an inline 4-cylinder engine, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, Bluetooth mobile device connectivity, a rear-view camera, voice recognition, a sunroof, heated seats, high-intensity headlights, 13 perfectly positioned speakers, XM satellite radio, a turbocharger, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, a split folding rear seat, cruise control, the Acura Link satellite communication system, leather seats, 12-volt power outlets, front multi-stage airbags, 3-point rear seat belts, steering wheel mounted controls, and this vehicle has less than 64,000 miles. Stop by today and test drive this automobile for yourself.
Acura of Baton Rouge is conveniently located at 13550 Airline Highway in Baton Rouge. Contact us today to find out about our financing specials or visit us online at acuraofbatonrouge.com.